If you are someone who takes more than an hour to reply to an inquiry, or someone who gets an inquiry while you are on job, this video is definitely for you, because I will show you how I automated my own website contact form so that the moment someone sends me an inquiry or request, they get an immediate reply so they are not left hanging. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step workflow of how I built it, and if you're interested in it as well, I could decide to send that over to you and you can install it into your own website. Without further ado, let's head straight into the actual automation. So what this automation does is, anytime someone sends an inquiry to my website, it takes the information from them, so their name, phone number, the reason they're texting me, so the message, and maybe their email, and then it sends an email to me telling me that I've gotten a request or inquiry from this person, your name is this, phone number is this, email is this, and they left this message. And then it sends an email to the person who sends the message or made the request, telling them what they have asked for. So it's giving their name back, their phone number back, and the message that they mentioned in that contact form. So what this does is it gives the person a straight and immediate reply, so you don't feel like I have to wait for an hour or when is this guy gonna get back to me. So that's the purpose of this automation, and it makes it so much more easier for me, because I always have to stress about, oh, it's going to take me too long to reply to this person, or if I'm working right now, I can't really reply, and they're going to see my reply like 4 hours later. So it really helps a lot so that you don't have to worry too much about having to send a message manually by yourself straight away. So let me actually show you what the automation looks like. So I'm going to move into the workflow. All right, so this is the actual workflow. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff, and I know some of you might be thinking, Michael, I have no idea what a webhook is. I have no idea what global constant is. And that's all right. You don't really have to know all the technical sides of it to understand what this does. So if we go to a slide deck, let me just show you a metaphorical way to analyze it. So this is the full flow. So imagine that your website is the restaurant. This is a restaurant-based analogy. So your website is a restaurant and your customer has come into the restaurant. So that is your user or client has come through your website and they want to make a request, they want to put an inquiry in. So who do they meet? The waiter, obviously. So the waiter in this scenario is our webhook, which starts off the entire workflow. So without the waiter, nothing will happen. The same as this. Without the webhook, nothing's going to trigger in our workflow, so it wouldn't work. Then the waiter takes in the information. So what do they want to eat? What do they want to drink? Blah, blah, blah. With our webhook, it's the same thing. He asks them for your name, phone number, email, etc. Now, the waiter can then give a restaurant card or attach it to the actual delivery. This is a bit different than an actual restaurant's metaphor, because with the global constant, what it does is simply just attaches information that you want to always be there in all your answers. So for example, what's your business name? What's your business phone number? What's your business email? So it just attaches that information and gives it to the chef to make your new menu or make your information, your reply. So then this is a message to the chef. So it tells the chef, this is what the person wants. They put their name, email, phone number, blah, blah, blah. And then it sends the message back to the customer saying, don't worry, your food's going to be here in a minute. Just hang on tight. So with our workflow, it's just a message to the person making the request saying, we've seen your request. You said your name is this, your phone number is this, your email is this, and your message that I wanted to deliver is this. So we'll get back to you shortly. So that's exactly the way our workflow runs here. So webhook takes the information from the website. The global constant has our name, phone number, and email address. Then sends a message to us, the owner, in this format. Then sends a message to the person who made the request, so the customer, in this format. So I made this more stylish because it's easier for the customer to read. Whereas with the other one, because I know what I'm actually getting from it. I already know what to read, so I don't really need to style it up that much. So let me show you how this actually runs end to end on my own website. So let's go to our restaurants here. Let's refresh this. So this is my website. Pretty sleek, right? Pretty beautiful. I made it myself. Just throwing it out there. Now, let me just also fill this information. So let's change this name to Danny. And email, I'll use my email for now so I can just show you. And let's change that to random phone number. So plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And business name, let's just say working class. And message, I just want you to put my fries in the bag, bro. Okay, so that's all the information that we're going to send, and we're going to see how it actually sends the reply automatically from our website end. So send message. So message sent. Thank you. I will get back to you shortly. Now, let me go to my email box, my inbox. So you can see this. Yeah, perfect. Let's refresh this. Good. So now I got 2 new emails. So this is the email that comes to us, the owner. So the subject is new contact request from Danny. You receive a new contact request through your website. Here are the details. So this is the name that they put in, the email they put in, the phone number they put in, business name they put in, and the message. And also the time that is sent this. So I'm recording this at 5 in the morning. So that's why you can see it's 5:40. So pretty simple, right? So the email came straight to us, letting us know that we have got a new request to the website. Now this is the email to our customer. So let's put the request in. So we received your inquiry, Danny. So thanks for getting in touch. Dear Danny, thanks for contacting us. We have successfully received your inquiry and a member of our team will be in touch with you shortly. And it's mirrored all the information that they've sent to us. So the name, email, phone number, business name, and the message. And also added our phone number. So this is what the Global Custom did. He added our name and our phone number to this email so you can easily use it. And that's how the thing works end to end on my side. So I'm not having to manually send emails myself. So I think that makes sense. If it's still a bit confusing, you can watch a video on what automation really does. But I think that makes sense enough for you to understand what the actual end goal is. So hopefully you got some value from this quick walkthrough and you kind of understand what automation does and how it can help reduce a lot of manual admin load from your shoulders. If you want this actual workflow so you can send replies for you through your own website, just comment down system and I'll get back to you and we can talk about how we can set this up for you so you can use it as well on your own end. Again, if you want the system, just comment down system and I'll get back to you on that. If you want some more videos about how I do different workflows so you can actually see how it works end to end and implement it on your own side, just leave a comment and I'll hopefully keep posting more videos like this and walk you through some of the automated workflows I've created and what they do. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Signing off.